To get Cash App under 13. It is essential to understand that the Cash App terms of service require users to be at least 13 years old to create an account. However, there are some alternatives and workarounds that can be explored. First, consider asking a parent or guardian to create a Cash App account on your behalf. This way, they can manage the account and add you as a secondary user, allowing you to receive and send money with their permission. Another option is to use a prepaid debit card or a bank account in your name, which can be linked to a Cash App account created by a parent or guardian. This method allows you to have some level of control over your finances while still being under the required age. It is crucial to note that attempting to create a Cash App account by providing false information or bypassing the age requirement is against the terms of service and can result in account suspension or termination. If you are under 13 and need to receive money from someone, you can ask the sender to use an alternative service that does not have an age restriction, such as a bank transfer or a different payment app. Ultimately, it is essential to prioritize responsible financial practices and follow the guidelines set by Cash App and other financial institutions. By doing so, you can ensure a safe and secure experience when managing your finances. In summary, to get Cash App under 13, explore alternatives such as asking a parent or guardian to create an account on your behalf, using a prepaid debit card or bank account, or finding alternative services for receiving money. Always prioritize responsible financial practices and adhere to the terms of service of any financial institution.